the United States Marines and get action. Help build the victory now. For yourself, for your home, for this land we love. There's a Marine recruiting station in every corner of the country. See the officer in charge and get the latest information on joining the fighting Mother Nature. Do it now, and know the pride of service with the United States Marines.
On the Allied side, the small professional armed forces that began the war were quickly replaced by massive establishments made up almost entirely of
Naka-close up kayo ni nanay.
civilians,
Naka-close up.
most after barely 3 months of training. Somehow, these young men achieved the transformation from fresh-faced conscripts
Kaya hindi marinig yung mga boses.
warriors. Among the factors that allowed them to do so were the training, discipline, and morale of a combat unit. These three elements are the foundation upon which armed forces have been built throughout history. Without them, no armed service, no matter how large or powerful in weapons and material, can hope to be effective. This was never more the case than during World War II.
Sandali na! Naku! Kailangan pa magbihis. Nagbibihis. Hindi naman.
Bakit ako?
Hindi naman. Artista naman. Ayan. Ayan, naka... Buwan nga yun eh. Oh. Kaway kayo.
Bibihis pa, hindi naman. Bakit ako?
Nangingidig yung kamay ko, yo.
Dalawang kamay. Hawakan mo na ng isa. Dito hawakan, ha? Stay. Para sa pares.
Questions like these, 32% of all rejections in the U.S. Army were around
Ay, isa ba? Ha? May mga bibihis pa rin. Artista.
Aba, syempre, mga artista. Hello. Oh, hello.
Compress kayo.
Jojo, tigis ka pa.
Compress ka,
Tingnan
compress.
ka. Jojo, ito ka.
Compress.
Kaya, di na siya tayo. Ayun. Ayan, nakuha lahat na. Kahit di pa ka.
Kuha na lahat.
Nakuha na lahat.
Hi. Hello.
Salita kayo.
Hello.
O, ano sasabihin?
This is Nanay. This is Jojo. This is Daddy. And I'm his Mommy. This is Ate. This is Nanay. His Lola. His grandmother. Hello. We're at home now. Here in Cabanatuan.
Weighed 144 pounds and was 5 feet 8 inches tall.
Mamaya i-copy natin sa disk to. Para yung kopya nasa inyo. Panurin nyo na lang.
Nakakailang minuto na. Sandali pa.
Ayun, masakay ka sa bangka.
4 minutes. Plus yung 2 minutes.
Masakay tayo sa bangka, Jojo.
Kuha na muna na. Pagkat ka.
Yan.
Ako ang one.
Hindi, okay lang. Para makakuha na lang ako.
Ako kukuha.
Hindi, okay lang.
During the Second World War, an entire
Sige.
generation recorded their
I-ano ko muna, no?
pieces for posterity.
Another one. Okay.